Hi, today I am going to make for you chicken soup the way I usually make it. It's probably a little different than what you make at home. Here we have 2 chicken breasts and 3 chicken feet, and I use that instead of like a chicken bouillon. The bone will flavor the soup. Here I have diced carrot, 4, and here I have diced celery, 4 stalks. Here I have diced tomato, sea salt, diced potatoes, 2 bay leaf, a small onion, clove of garlic, and some parsley, olive oil, and Italian seasoning. I will also be including a secret ingredient at the end. So we're going to add to the pot. We're going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and we're going to let that heat up. And we're going to throw in the onion and bay leaf and the garlic, and we're going to saute for a few minutes. To this we're going to add the salt, and that will help to release some of the juice out of the onions. And we want to saute for about 3-4 minutes. So this has been slowly sauteing for about two minutes. We are going to throw in the celery. And we let that cook for maybe about a minute, just to start releasing some of the juices here. Starting to smell good already. The onion and the bay leaf. To this we are going to add